Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to online classes. This is Kiran sir from Vassalabai Vanmadi School of Scholars. Yesterday we were discussing the lesson, the silver lining. In that lesson, we discussed about the Chaman Nehal, and actually Chaman Nehal want to speak the daughter of the Bhandaris, but he avoid to him. There are some certain reasons, and generally daughter of the Bhandar is deaf and dumb. So according to that, everyone uh, tortured her by saying the so many words. So this till when she was saying till here we completed last period. Now we starting the new paragraph. See here, page number 32. To save the child from such repeated humiliations, I one day suggested something to the Bhandaris which the parents, after some trepidation, agreed to try. So, according to that, the Chaman Nehal giving the one suggestion to the Bhandaris, but having some hesitation, they agreed to try that ideas. We decided to have bit of paper type and to hand over one of these cheats duly sealed in a cover to every new visitor as soon as he entered the guest house. So Chaman Nehal gave an idea to the Bhandaris uh, with a envelope. They want to give the cheat to the every visitors, those who are coming to the guest house. The test of the cheat ran: our daughter is deaf and dumb. You may hurt her by trying to be friendly too soon, as she can neither understand nor reply to your kind words. You are requested to please give her time to approach you and make your acquaintance. Thank you. This is the all fifth lines covered in the envelope, and when the guest came in the guest house, that time the Bhandaris gave the that envelope to the visitors and writing there, our daughter is deaf and dumb. हमारी लड़की बाहरी भी है और मुकी भी है. So that's why every visitor understand that if that the any visitor trying to talk to the that girl, and he given the instruction that if the child not understand nor reply to your kind words, so you are requested to please give her time to approach you. Means if the daughter not understand nor reply the any words written to the visitors, so please give time to that girl to make your acquaintance. आपके पास फैमिलियर होने के लिए उनको टाइम देना है. दिस टाइप ऑफ मैसेज रिटर्न इन द एनवेलप. Okay student, got it? Now see the next paragraph. A line to the effect that there might be spare questions about her was removed by Mrs. Bhandaris on the plea. Plea means humble request to help. That is, would not be a compatible, agreeable combinations with her spirit of hospitality. See the again. A line of the effect that there might be spare question about her was removed by Mrs. Bhandari on the plea that it would not be compatible with her spirit of hospitality. So what is meant by that? After giving the envelope to the every visitors, so many visitors asking the questions, till asking the questions, and so that's why Mrs. Bhandari having a spirit of hospitality with a great manner. As it was, she felt the note was not a very kind one to be given to people were going to make her guest house their temporary home. So according to that, so Bhandari's family given the instruction to the visitors. Still that so many visitors asking the question regarding the child. So that's why the Bhandari is giving the reply that this is not your house, this is the only guest house, and there you have to live in a temporary way. Okay, but she gave consent to save the girl untold misery and helplessness she experienced every time a stranger approach her. So according to that, the giving the envelope to the visitors, till that the visitors asking the questions, so he become nervous for that. And this is the experience of every time visitor approach to her means the daughter. So this is the unusual experience having the Bhandari's family, till that they giving the envelope. The rush work well. Write the meaning of rush means idea. The rush work well even beyond our expectation. जितने सारे एक्सपेक्टेशन से उससे बावजूद ज़्यादा आइडिया काम कर गई. Though a few sympathetic questions were still put to the parents, the poor child was spared. After that, the Bhandari's family, having with the sympathetic questions because of the visitors and still put the parents, the poor child was spared. So according to that, when the visitor asks the questions, that child, that dumb and unable to speak child, poor child was spared. He understand that and keep away. Later the girl himself slowly become intimate with many of the guests. So they given the Chamannaiyal given the idea to the Bhandaris. After that, the idea work well, and regarding that, the idea, the daughter become intimate. Intimate means familiar with many of the guests. उनके बावजूद वो जो लड़की बातें कर रही थी आने वाले गेस्ट के साथ, उनके साथ वो फैमिलियर हो गई, एक्वेंटेंस हो गई. द Bhandaris felt relieved and thought that at least one of their problems was temporarily solved. What is mean by that? Chamannaiyal gave the idea to the Bhandaris and this idea worked very well and the Bhandaris felt relieved. उनको आरामदायक लगा कि आइडिया काम कर गई. And thought that at least one of their problems was temporarily solved. एक प्रॉब्लम थी जो temporary solve हो चुकी थी. Okay, till here we stop today. Now the in next videos, in next period, we discuss the later portion of the lessons. Okay students, thank you, have a nice day.